Hey guys, if you would like to link a bank account to your Cash App, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, in order for you to simply link your bank account to your Cash App, launch your Cash application. And now at this page, make sure that you are logged into your account, tap onto your profile. Once done, you will see linked banks just below the account and settings button. Tap on linked banks. Here under accounts, you have to tap on link bank. And likewise, this uses plate to link your bank account, so tap continue. Now at this section, you may go ahead and select your institution. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and log in with Chase. So it says authenticate with Chase. You have to first open your Chase bank account and authenticate it from there. So simply for now, tap on continue. Once it is so, it will say that the verification has been successfully done and now your account has been connected with your Cash App. So guys, thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.